How to clear cache in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find Google Chrome. Tap on Chrome. Now go to storage uses and tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home screen and open up your Google Chrome browser. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Now tap on privacy and security. Now tap on delete browsing data. Now tap on last hour and select all time. Now unselect browsing history and cookies and site data. Now select cached image and files. Now tap on delete data. You can also select cookies and site data and tap on delete. Now tap on delete and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.